What are the hidden ongoing costs of home ownerships that I'm not accounting for?
Okay, I get this question a lot, especially for first-time home buyers. So, although the cost is, if you have a mortgage, although your taxes and your insurance and your any HOAs or sometimes are included in your mortgage, just really be mindful that with taxes, especially here in Florida, once a home is resold, your taxes are going to be reassessed. Mm-hmm. So some of the buyers, they call me every time after they close. I'm like, we discussed this, that it's going to be reassessed. So what they probably put in your taxes, they can only give you an estimate, and they get very, very close to that estimate. But there's some times where, it's not is exact. So your taxes, your escrow account will go up. So just account for that. So what I personally do is I always, although we get a loan estimate, mm-hmm. I always go up a little bit higher on that estimate. So I'd rather my buyers be safe than sorry. Now, sometimes they get super excited and they forget about everything else. Mm-hmm. And then they're like, oh, well, my payment was $22. I'm like, no, we discussed you need to account for about $2,400. So those are some costs that unfortunately no one can change with the taxes, not even the homeowner's insurance, because, with Florida, everything is up and down. So it's unpredicted costs that no one can give you like, hey, for sure, this is what it's going to be. Mm-hmm. Other costs that once you move in, it could be your AC breaks. It could be your roof may have a leak over time. Although the inspection came in clear, you may end up having a storm and now some windows are cracked, or your garbage disposal. You have to understand that these homes are man-made. Like there's things that's going to break. So having a savings account set aside is important. We work with great financial advisors where we set our buyers up for success, where we try to take their money that they have, anything that's left over, and put it into an investment account. So God forbid if something happens, that they're able to pull from that account, so they're not pulling from their bill account or their personal assets or whatever the case may be. So it's important to make sure that you understand that there's stuff that will happen. So some of the things is, your stove or your refrigerator breaking, which leads me to my next thing is, when you're buying a property, whether it's new construction or resale, try to look into an extended home warranty, because that will definitely save you a lot of money over time. If your AC or your refrigerator, any of your appliances break, normally it's just a one-time service call fee of like $100, $75. They come out, they look at it. If they can't fix it, they'll replace it. For $75, you can't buy anything brand new for $75 when it comes to appliances. So it's a great thing to have if you are a homeowner.